How to see Streets View on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do the Street View in Google Maps on your Android device. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your Google Maps and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Now, all you want to do here is search for the location that you want to see the street view on. So I'm just going to search for it right here. And once you find your location, all you need to do is just zoom in a bit. And first, you'll have to toggle on the street view. For that, tap on this layers icon at the top right. And here you will find the map type. You can also change to satellite or terrain. And to enable street view, you are going to tap on this option right here. And once the street view is enabled, just find the location where you want to view the street, and then just tap on this blue line, and you will enter the street view mode. So as you can see here on the top, the street view has been enabled. You can look around. It's a 360. And if you want to move around, you can tap on this arrow button like this to go forward or go backwards. So you can just follow along to look at your street view. And if you want it to be on your full screen, tap on this arrow icon, and now you're on the full screen street view. You can look around, look 360, and if you want to go straight or left or right, you can do that. And once you tap on this arrow, the person that is doing the street view will move, so you'll move along. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.